Well, as you can hear, I've got the R380 on the stand. It's running away there. Well, it's not running away, but it's running kind of nice. The bearing at the front here is a bit noisy because of the way I've got it supported. It's kind of technical, but we made a shaft to go onto the spline, and it's supported by a bearing front and back. Well, the problem with that is there's no clutch drive in it, so if you get a motor that's chattery, like this can be on certain places, this is why we have these springs in here to take up the cushion of the drive. Now this is pretty constant, you know, it's a constant speed. I can take it up to whatever I want. Doesn't really matter. I can go to a very high speed, but you won't be able to even think. But like I say, this isn't the perfect setup, but it works. But like I say, that's what these springs for, because I've had 2 or 3 people write to me and say that they've got noise in the gearbox after being rebuilt. And the reason is, they put a new clutch in, but they put a heavy duty clutch in, and they've put heavy duty springs in it, which makes it it doesn't absorb the chattering. The chattering goes through to your gearbox. Let me turn this down a bit. So when you get a heavy duty clutch from Land Rover, which they fitted to the 130, the only thing they actually did was make it a bigger diameter. That was it. The clamp pressure was the same, springs are the same, everything was the same engine, just about everything. Anyway, less of this chattering. What's it change gear on? So that's neutral. So I can grab the shaft. Ooh. So we've got first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I don't really want to do it in reverse, but I'll show it to you. There you go. No grinding into reverse. Isn't that clever? That's because it's got a synchromesh. So I'm going to build an LT230 up now, and I'm going to leave this running till the oil gets warm. It's a really cold day today. This has been outside for a couple of hours. It takes me about around about an hour in winter to get this into this situation. From taking it from my bench downstairs to up here, because you've got to get all the snow off the forklift, get the bars all organised to lift it up with, get all the table out and organised. If I was to do one every week, it would be a different thing. Right, I've got to go because my battery's flat. See you later.